Hey everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I'm just going to give you guys one of my recipes. It is for chicken, particularly chicken breast, and these are going to be actually strips just because they are easier to, for me anyway, easier to marinate. So I'm going to start off with Kikkoman Teriyaki. It does have sesame seeds in it, so if you have allergies, be aware of that. They also do sell this in a ginger, and it's really good. I think it comes with a green label. So I'm just going to put some of this on here. And I'll set that to the side. I also got soy sauce. I used a low sodium. Put that on there. I really don't measure anything. I just kind of put it on there. And then also just some regular teriyaki sauce. This one comes out a little different than the others. Then I will take a spoon, kind of mix it up. Then I'm going to take some olive oil, and I have discovered if you put the olive oil down first and then try to put on the sauces, it does not mix very well at all. The sauces repel the olive oil or vice versa. And you can see how it tries to separate it, but once you stir it up, it's not too bad. But if you do it the opposite way, it does not want to mix really well. Then I add my spices. I have the Sazon, a seasoning. It's really good. And seasoned salt. It's gotten a little clumpy due to the humidity. And black pepper. I use ground turmeric. Cayenne pepper. And you really won't, it really doesn't make the chicken spicy, so you don't really won't taste it on there. But it does add flavor, that's for sure. And then I guess that's pronounced Tajin. And it's really good too. All right, then once all that's on there, I'm going to take my chicken pieces and I'm just going to put them in here. I don't stir all this stuff up. I mean, you can if you want. Doesn't seem to make a difference. Once that's on there, I will put it in the refrigerator for 30 minutes or so. And then I will flip it over for another 30 minutes. Then I will put it in the air fryer on broil for 25 minutes and flipping it at halfway point, 12 and a half minutes. And remember, you're touching raw chicken, so make sure you wash your hands well after that. You don't want to have salmonella or, contaminating other stuff that you've touched with raw chicken. Once the 30 minutes is up, I'll show you what it looks like after I turn the chicken over to marinate the other side. All right, it's been 30 minutes. I'm going to go ahead and flip these over. And as you can see, it's done pretty well. One other thing you do when after these have cooked, one thing that goes really well with it is rice. You put rice in there with soy sauce or whatnot, and it'll mix really well. It tastes really good. All right. Let that sit for another 30 minutes and it'll get cooked. It's finished marinating and I will cook it. I'm going to try for 22 minutes instead of 25. Either one should be good. And again, once it's done cooking, you can add whatever you want. I'm going to try it with some rice. And here is the finished product. Very tasty. And I did forget to add one ingredient. I don't know how I missed it, but it is cilantro leaves. Just add those in there with the other ingredients. I will leave a list of the ingredients in the comments. Thanks for watching. Give this a try. I guarantee you, if you like chicken, you will enjoy it. It is very tasty, and again, just mix it with some rice or however else you like to eat chicken. Thanks for watching, and please like, subscribe, and share. Don't forget to leave a comment and a thumbs up. Thank you.